Hey everybody, Mr. Barfield here with another round of grammar videos. Feel free to pause, rewind, fast forward, do whatever you need to do to get the best notes possible. Today's topic, present, past, and future tenses of verbs. There are actually 6 tenses of verbs in the English language, but we're just going to be focusing on the first 3 for today's video, and then another video will do the perfect tenses. Okay? So present tense. It expresses a constant, repeated, or habitual action or condition. It can also express a general truth. It's not just about like, hey, the action is happening in present time. It's a lot more complicated than that. So, my garden grows well in the summer. Grows is the present tense of the verb. And this is expressing a habitual or repeated action. It grows well in the summer, so only certain times. Uh, Whereas Marty bakes bread well is implying that this is a general truth, okay? He bakes bread well every time he bakes bread. It can also express an action or a condition that exists only now, like Jenny feels happy for now. Or I see a fly on the ceiling for now. It's often used in fiction, poetry, and reporting to convey to the reader a sense of being there. And this is called literary present tense, which you should always use when you're writing literary analysis papers in Mr. Barfield's literature class. Moving right along. Pro tip. The term present tense is very misleading. We almost never use present tense to talk about present time. For that, we usually shift into present progressive tense. The clock is chiming, but more on that later. Progressive is a different video. What? Who put that meme in my video? Hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. Now let's talk about past tense. A little bit more straightforward. Expresses an action or condition that began and ended in the past. The band played well in the past. Musicians seem pleased in the past. Nearly all regular and irregular verbs, except the verb be, have just one past tense form, like played or began. But the word be has 2 past tense forms, was and are. I was happy, and we were happy. Narratives and storytelling usually use past tense. Future tense expresses an action or a condition that will occur in the future. Now, you form future tense by using shall or will with the base form of the verb. Like send, base form, plus will equals future tense. I will send the email. Or you shall, if you want to be fancy, you shall practice piano tonight. There are other ways to express future time besides just using will and shall. For example, you could use the present tense of be, aka is, with the phrase going to plus a base verb. She is going to send the email. Or you could use the present tense of be, is, with the phrase about to and a base form of a verb. She is about to send the email. And then lastly, you could use the present tense of a verb with a time word, which is an adverb or adverb phrase that shows time, like this. She leaves tomorrow. She arrives next week. Okay? All right, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.